I was just doing some Google searching, trying to figure out like, how do you have a virtual wedding? Can we do a virtual wedding? What does that look like? And I stumbled upon Wedfuly, and I immediately ran over to Mike and I was like, Mike, I found exactly what we need.
We were sort of limited to around 25 people that were physically on site. So we opened the virtual portion of it to everyone else that we'd originally invited.
So many people that got to be part of it that maybe wouldn't have been able to come in person regardless of the pandemic. I mean, you always have people RSVP no because of traveling and whatnot.
Giving them an option other than saying no. It's a way to make things more inclusive. My parents weren't able to be there and my brother weren't able to be there. Being able to see them and have them see us and kind of still be there together in some way made that a lot, easier than it would have been.
The guests at home could see everything from the speeches to the dance.
We were able to sit and talk with people that weren't physically there when we did the breakout rooms. It was a chance for us to feel like they were there with us in the moment.
The group dance ended up being probably one of my favorite parts of the night. We were dancing with our nieces and nephews on the dance floor, and then we'd look up every few seconds and just see different people dancing with us, seeing like people's dogs and kids that were dancing, and part of it was like they were just right there with us. Like that was definitely one of the most special
Even
moments.
For the people at home said the same thing.
It was just incredible to have friends and family who were so far away. To have a way to bring people together was just really special. I can just remember sitting with Mike after we had just gotten married, and our photographer is taking pictures of us sitting with the computer right there, and we're just so happy and excited. It was really fun to hear how happy people were.
And for a lot of those people, it was their first Zoom period or first Zoom wedding.
People just could not stop talking about how much fun they had, how thankful they were that they were included. It was the wedding planner we never had. I mean, she gave so much time to us and so much attention in our meetings that we had with her virtually, as well as in the on-site rehearsals. It felt so personalized, and it couldn't have been easier. And it was actually really fun too to figure all these things out and know that someone else was coordinating all of it. It just took so much stress away. Don't hesitate, like it's totally worth it. We didn't end up needing a DJ because we had Wedfuly. We didn't really need a videographer because we had Wedfuly. I mean, I am beyond thankful that I stumbled across Wedfuly and that we went through this whole experience with Wedfuly, and they will just make your day so special and wonderful.